As Wall Street keeps soaring to new record highs, auto sales had another strong month in March. Credit card delinquencies are at an 18-year low. So does this mean our economy has recovered?
Very good question. Financial advisor Kurtis Pearson of Compass Financial is here. And Kurt, why are things going so well? I guess it depends on who you talk to, whether it's the market guys or who else.
Well, there really are some reasons for some of those statistics. For example, auto sales were at significant low points in 08 and 09, and the average age of an automobile now is 11 years, when typically that's been 8 to 9 years. And so there's some pent-up demand that we're really beginning to see. But even at 15 million units a year, which is kind of where they peg sales for 2013, still well below some of the roaring times back in the 90s and the early 2000s. So I have to put things kind of in perspective, although it's been a significant recovery. Credit card delinquencies, that's a little bit different, because credit cards in the meltdown of 08 and 09 had to write off significant bad debts. And so that's one reason we're seeing delinquencies at these all-time lows, is because they wrote all of that bad debt off, and the debt that they do have on the books has been serviced very nicely by consumers. So you have to look underneath the hood on some of those numbers.
Sure. Well, what is the outlook for the rest of the year?
Yeah, we continue to see this tug of war that I've alluded to so many times between inflationary forces and deflationary forces. That tug of war is obviously reflected every single day in the capital markets. Yesterday, the Dow was off pretty significantly, about 1%, mainly because of these North Korea fears. So just keep an eye on things and keep watching your own investment portfolio, do some rebalancing, take whatever the market tends to give you, and make sure you're capturing those gains and profits on a very regular basis at these levels.
Okay, very quickly, anything out there that could bring this all to a halt?
Well, there are some of those. The wall of worry in the stock market is always quite tall, and earnings are what we're focused on right now. Some earnings will be coming out today and the next couple of weeks, first quarter earnings. So that is what the market will begin to focus on more intently.
All right. Thank you, Kurtis Pearson.
Okay.
As always, if you'd like to get a hold of Kurt, you can call him at his office at Compass Financial, 327-1020.